Hey, what is going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 10 essential apps that you must first install on every new device. Like, there are a few apps, of course, that you need on your device, like the social media apps and like the usual Apple apps or Google apps, but in this video I will focus on some apps that are not that famous but are really useful, and every one of you guys should have them on their device. Once you get a new device, of course, go ahead and install these apps, which can be downloaded for free from the App Store. Now, some of them will have some paid features, but mostly they are free. So these are apps that will help you perform different tasks better and faster on your iPhone. So they're very useful as well. So here are 10 apps that you should install first on every new device. Now, starting off with an app called KeepSafe. Now, what this does is that it allows you to lock your pictures or videos with a passcode. You can even lock files that you have on your Files app, and that's very useful. Now, of course, Apple doesn't allow us to do that, but you can do that with this app. So here you have the PIN code that you enter. First, when you open the app, you will be able to enter a PIN code which you will use to lock your pictures, videos, and also files. So here we'll have like your main album, you will have the videos right there. So if you go here, you will have this plus button which allows you to add like a picture from your camera. You can add files from the Files app, or you can go ahead and import photos or videos. So just tap right there, it will take you to the camera roll. And of course, here you will be able to just browse your albums or your photo gallery, all the photos, and then just go ahead and select the ones that you want to import to the app. Just click the import button and you're good to go. Now, these will be here and they will be locked. And you can see right here, once it completes the import, it will give you the option to delete them from the camera roll. So you want to keep them just here. You will be able from here to go ahead and just basically delete them from the camera roll, and you will have them just saved here. Now, of course, once you want to go ahead and save them back to the camera roll, all you gotta do is just open it and just tap right there on send, and you will be able to export it back to the camera roll. So copy to the camera roll and you're good to go. The next app for the video is called Converter Plus. Now, this one allows you to basically convert anything that you want, from like areas to currency, length, temperature, time, volume, weight, tip calculator. Everything can be measured and basically converted with this app. So you can see right here we have, like, let's say length here, distance. So you have 1 meter, it shows you in centimeters, feet, and also on inches right here. So that's really great. You can tap on all right there. It will show you even like more results as easy as that. Now let's just bring this down. You will have like the search bar right there, and you will have other stuff that you can convert right here. So you will have a ton of things that you can convert. You can see how long the list is, and if you tap right here, you will have basically your favorites here. So if you go, let's say, to like distance right here, you can tap on one of the distances and you will get this like calculator look. You can tap right there to clear, and you can just enter any number you want, and as you can see, it will be converted as easy as that. You will have the conversion here on all like the different like distance measurements. So you can see right here, that's really great. Another must-have app that I always use on my devices is called Simple Transfer. Now, this is the easiest way to transfer pictures or videos from your iPhone to your computer, or from your computer to your iPhone. Now, all you gotta do is just open this app, go ahead, open a web browser on your computer, and just enter that IP address right there. And it will show you like your full photo library on your computer. You will be able just to download any picture from your iPhone to your computer or video as well. And you will also be able to upload any of them from your computer to your camera roll, as easy as that. You will also have here another tab that says devices. So all you gotta do here is just install this app, Simple Transfer, on both devices, and you will be able to easily send pictures and videos from one device to another. The next app for the video is called Jumbo. Now, this one is really interesting. What it does is that it will scan like your social media, your accounts, and will show you like different stuff that's going on in the background that you probably don't see or don't know that is happening. So you can connect any of the accounts right here, any of the apps, and you can see if I tap on Facebook right there, I can tap scan, and it will scan my Facebook and it will show me the report right here. Now, this is very important if you use a lot of social media apps. apps, you should install this app. It is free and it will scan this for you. So you can see right here, it shows me the scan report for Facebook. So 22 advertisers are showing ads based on my contact info. You can see right there, this is a thing that you don't know it's happening, but it's happening in the background. You can stop it from here. You can see it says you have all messages. You can delete them from here. And you can see like different stuff here. Your relationship status is being used for ad tracking. You can see that right there. You can stop it from here. So it will show you different stuff that is going on in the background with your social media and your info. You probably didn't know that that's happening. You can learn it from here, from this free app called Jumbo. The next app for the video is called VPN Unlimited Proxy, and this is one of a few like totally free VPN apps that you can get on your iPhone from the App Store. Now, if you need a VPN app, this is the one to go. As I said, it's totally free and it's quite fast as well. So this is the home screen. Now, what you can do here is just tap right there and you will see a ton of different locations that you can use for free. Now, usually on these like VPN apps that you get from the App Store, you will have just like one free location and the other ones will be paid. With this one, you will have a ton of free of them. So you just tap on one of them and it will show you also different ones right here. And you can, as easily as that, just go ahead and connect to any one of these. You can see how fast it is and the connections are really fast as well. Now, once you're done, all you gotta do is just tap right here to disconnect and you're good to go. Now, when it comes to editing pictures, of course, Photoshop is the best. This is Photoshop Express, one of the best photo editing apps that you can get for your iPhone. You will have here like different tools which you can use to go ahead and customize your pictures. You will have, of course, different filters that you can use. Now, most of them are free. Some of them, of course, are paid as well. It will have like these light leaks right here. You can crop the pictures any way you like, so you can rotate them, you can transform them from here. Really nice. So you can see that way you can transform any of your pictures. And then of course you will have all the tools right here, so you can change the light here. You have all the lightnings like tools like the contrast, highlights, shadows, whiteness, blacks, all that. And of course you can go ahead and also add like different text to your picture. So you can see right here you can add different stickers. Anything can be done with this app. So it's really amazing. If you tap right there, you will be able to see the original and the edited picture, so you can see how you have changed your picture by editing it with Photoshop Express. So easily one of the best picture editing apps that you can get on the App Store, and of course it is free. Now, once you're done with photo editing, of course, you need an app to edit your videos. And BeeCut is totally free, it's simple to use, and it has a ton of awesome features. Like you can see right here, I have this video that is like the aspect is square, but if I add it here and I want to make it like in landscape, it will automatically add that like blur around the video, which looks really awesome. And you can add like a bunch of other stuff right here. So you can add music to your video. Just tap right there and you will be able to add music, so you will have recommended and your iTunes music right there as well. Of course you can add like different filters, so you will have portrait, you have like films, movie here, like you have a ton of different like filters that you can apply to your video. So let's just clear that, and then if you go to sort right here, you can also press to reorder the lens right there. And of course you will have also different stuff. You just tap on the clip right there, it will show you all the adjustments right here that you can do, from the gray, the highlights, the shadows, all that stuff. The exposure of course can be done directly from there. You can also change the speed of the video. You can see right here, as easy as that. You can change the speed of the playing of the video, and then you will also have here the ability to play the video in reverse, rotate it, crop it, or change the volume of the video. And of course, once you're done, you tap export right there and it will give you a bunch of options in which you can use to save your video. Of course, when it comes to browsing the app on the iPhone, we mostly use Safari or even Chrome, but Firefox Focus is one of the best browsers that you can get for your iPhone. Of course, that if you care about your privacy. This is a truly like private web browser. Everything will be deleted once you're done searching. So there is no tabs, it won't track your history, it won't track your like ad tracking and all that. Everything will be blocked within this app. So you can see right here, I can search, like, let's search for iReviews right here. Let's tap go. So once I'm done like with my browsing here, all I gotta do is just tap right there. It is closed, everything is gone, so nothing will be saved at all. The next app for the video is called Annotable. This app will allow you to annotate your pictures. It has a bunch of cool features. Now this one is the best you can get for your iOS device. Now of course you can annotate like using the default features of iOS, but this one is way better. So if you tap right here, it will show you all the tools. Now a lot of tools are free, some of them are paid as well. So this one right here, the loop, this one is paid, but you can take a peek at it, see how it looks. So you want to basically zoom in on something, on a picture that you annotate, you want to like focus on something, you can do that from here. You can see how cool that looks. Now if you tap right here, we'll have like text. You can just go ahead and write anything you want here on a picture. Of course, like you can add anything you want, like your signature or anything like that. You can of course add also different like objects right here on the screen. So just go ahead and add them, and of course then you can go ahead and resize them any way you like from here. So I want to annotate anything, it can be done with this app. The app is called Annotable, and as I said, it's free. It has quite a lot of like paid features, but a lot of them are free as well. And last but not least, of course, is a fun app, is a wallpaper app called Paper.co. Now of course we all want our iPhones, especially our new iPhones, to look good, so you need a really nice wallpaper. Paper.co offers all that. So this is the home screen of the app where you will find like a ton of different wallpapers. You can just swipe like this and you will see a bunch of different categories that you can use. You will also have the new ones, the best ones, and the favorites right there. So you go to a wallpaper, you can just tap on it and it will show you how that wallpaper will look on the lock screen of your device. Tap once more, it will show you how that will look on the home screen of your device. Of course, once you decided to download it, you can do that with that arrow right there. And if you want to save it, you can just tap right there, the heart, and it will save it under the favorite section, which then you can find right here under the menu. So that's it for this video, guys. These are 10 really awesome apps that you should first install on every new iPhone that you get. They are very useful, and some of them will help us basically do and complete a lot of tasks faster and easier than the stock apps that you get on iOS. And of course, the most famous app, the apps that we usually use. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.